PTC is proud to present Creo11 and Creo Plus, the latest versions of our award-winning, powerful, yet easy-to-use CAD system. Creo helps you deliver your best designs in less time with a wide range of enhancements for electrification, composites, model-based definition, simulation-driven design, and manufacturing. Creo11 provides an on-premises solution, while Creo Plus delivers a SaaS solution with cloud-enabled collaboration and entitlement tools. With every release, Creo introduces improvements to make design engineers more productive every day, including updates inspired by you, our customers. Creo now supports multi-body concepts for designs containing multiple sheet metal and regular bodies, allowing you to better design sheet metal parts in context. It also simplifies part design workflows, where the usage of split and Boolean operations can help you design more efficiently and reduce manufacturing costs. In addition, you can now transfer solid bodies from parts of an assembly into a single multi-body part using the shrink wrap feature, making it easier and faster to work with your complex designs. Creo now features an enhanced enclosure volume feature to optimize and calculate the minimum bounding box of your part or assembly for packaging optimization. The importance of electrification continues to grow in many industries, and Creo has improved cabling and ECAD/MCAD collaboration capabilities to reflect this. Cabling tools for manipulation of locations have been improved. Locations can now be placed tangent to any coordinate system axis, and the Remove Locations tool has been completely overhauled for easier use. Placement of custom components and splices has been enhanced, and harness settings can now be changed during routing. Additionally, the cabling tree has been updated for greater visibility of harness structure and cabling entities. ECAD capabilities have also been extended with the addition of transparency control for improved visibility of PCB stack-up and overlapping ECAD layers. Design engineers are finding applications for composite materials in more products than ever, and Creo11 continues to expand composites design, simulation, and manufacturing capabilities. Creo has expanded functionality for transitions, laminate sections, and draping simulations. You can even use zone-based design to define and automatically build plies from zones. Manufacturing has been enhanced with extended ply boundaries, core sampling, and the ability to export to leading laser projection systems. Creo now gives you even more powerful model-based definition tools to provide greater clarity with less effort. You can now easily organize your design data in simple tables that can be read by humans and machines, with both user-defined text, parameter callouts, and semantic references. Creating MBD annotations for cylindrical features is quicker, and Semantic Query is now available for inheritance models. GD&T Advisor has been updated to support ISO 22081 standard for general tolerances, for combined simplified whole callouts, and enriched definition for slab and slot features. Creo now includes new simulation-driven design capabilities for better design ideation, guidance, and validation. Creo's award-winning generative design has been improved with minimum feature size constraints, bearing load support, and planar symmetry constraints. Creo Simulation Live now includes conjugate heat transfer to simulate heat transfer between solid geometry and fluid bodies, as well as expanded results for all types of CSL studies. And Creo Ansys Simulation now includes transient structure analysis, which is used to determine the dynamic response of a structure with a time-dependent load. As always, Creo has improvements for both additive and subtractive manufacturing. For additive manufacturing, you can now connect 2 or more lattices with different cell types on a single continuous lattice structure and adjust pore size control for stochastic lattices. Creo has also expanded 3MF STL export options. For subtractive manufacturing, high-speed milling now features 4-axis rotary milling, plus trajectory milling enhancements, and the 4-axis area turning user interface has been improved too. PTC's Creo Plus combines the power and proven functionality of Creo, delivered via SaaS, with cloud-based tools to enhance collaboration and simplify license management. Creo Plus includes collaboration tools to enable multiple team members to review, explore, and edit part design in real time. And collaboration is now easier to use and supports mechanism assemblies. Creo Plus also includes cloud-based desktop tools for license management, deployment, and telemetry services, now including Engineering Notebook. monitor and provide feedback on network connectivity, and enjoy usability enhancements for defining shortcuts and launching Creo Plus. Award-winning Creo is better than ever with exciting improvements to the tools you use every day, plus new capabilities, all fully integrated into the easy-to-use Creo interface. Powerful, innovative, easy to use. Deliver your best designs in less time with Creo11 and Creo Plus.